Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're on Constant Spring Road in Manor Park. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing is free. Welcome to the Russia More Reviews channel as well. You know, it's Rush the Discovery Boss. So recently did a video on the Manor Park Plaza. So today we'll be doing a video on the Manor Center. So that's Oliver Road. Those vehicles are entering Oliver Road. We have Constant Spring Road up the road, and then we have the golf club, Constant Spring Golf Club, across the road. Definitely leave a comment, like and share, and just take a walk with me in the Manor Center. So it's not as big as Manor Park Plaza. I'll put the link in the description for the video I did on Manor Park Plaza. But still a lot of shop here. Let's see what we can make out. We have Popeyes, Little Caesar. We have Express Fitness, Killarney Mart for sure, Public Pharmacy, We Are Kids, and they also have a bowling alley here, Tutti Frutti as well. So that's Killarney Mart, and an Indian store recently opened, Little Indian. As you can see in there, it's packed with a lot of Indians. I haven't been there, but we'll definitely add it to my list. So we have a kids salon right there, then a shipping company. So we have a restaurant. Then we have Jam Zone Bowling right here. It's a good place for family, friends, or even a work team. It has bowling alley and a restaurant inside. So a nice chill spot per se for any crowd. So it's a bowl, eat, play. drive through for Popeyes. Alright guys, so we just finished the video for Manor Park, or Manor Center, correction. Remember to leave your comment in terms of what you think about the shopping mall. Remember to like the video and share as well, and definitely subscribe if you're new. Subscribing is completely free. We're on the channel trying to get to 3,000 subscribers in the next 3 months. That's the end of me. So thanks for your continued support to this channel. Thanks for all the persons that are always commenting, always sharing, always liking. Really appreciate it. So we'll be ending the video shortly.